Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan, and in today's How To Thursday episode, I'll be teaching you how to do a child's pose. If you're ready to learn something new, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. Let's go ahead and get ready to start. Let's bring it down to the ground. We're going to begin in a tabletop position. We're going to have our hands stacked directly below our shoulders, and our knees are stacked directly below our hips. We're going to widen out the stance of our hips towards the edge of the mat and bring our toes together. We're going to sit back, hinging at the hips, and extend our arms forward, bringing our forehead down to the ground, keeping a nice strong core, and your neck and your spine neutral. Focus on breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. And sit into your child's pose stretch. Once you're ready, you can widen out the stance of your knees a little further out. And again, bring yourself into that child's pose stretch, placing your forehead on the ground and keeping your arms stretched out. Focus on engaging that core and keeping a neutral neck and spine here as you give your hips and your shoulders a stretch. You can give this shoulder stretch a bit more by bringing yourself on to your fingertips. Bring your forehead back onto the ground and give those shoulders a deeper stretch. Don't forget to sit back and stretch those hips. And that is how we perform a child's pose stretch. If you learned something new, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. I post instructional fitness routines every Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. And I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you so much for watching.